This 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500 LTZ that we just got into, Rails Lincoln Mercury Mazda of Norman is a must-see. This Avalanche has a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder 16-valve engine and a 4-speed automatic that are ready to haul up to 1,444 pounds. It comes with a navigation system, audio system security, digital audio input, and gives you peace of mind with its safety features, including fog lamps, 4-wheel ABS brakes, front ventilated disc brakes and more. We would love to put you in the driver's seat of this Avalanche. Please contact us for more information.